Meaning of inhere.
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 Inhere. The word inhere refers to something that is inherent or innate within a particular entity or object. It suggests that the quality or characteristic being referenced is an essential and inseparable part of that thing, rather than something that has been added or acquired over time. For example, we might say that honesty inheres in a person's character, or that beauty inheres in a work of art. In essence, the term inhere conveys the idea of something being deeply rooted or ingrained, and therefore difficult or impossible to remove or change.